I don't know what he's aired down to.
Go back a little bit. Can you cut around? Get your driver tire right here. Go with it.
Nice bounce.
Back up.
Come back about 3 foot. All right, now bump from there.
Back up and bump it again.
Oh, you had it, you had it. A little more bump. Yeah. Tires are sticky now. He's got it's like a pavement over on this side. You got no undercut over here. If he can't bump from there, I'll have him come back down this. See what I'm saying?
If we steer to the right, aim for that tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's hitting that. If he don't bump it up this time, he needs to come over this way. He's getting on it. He's just losing traction, and when he goes side to side, he's letting off of it. Hey, if he'll just keep on it, because he's getting up on that, because he's got up on it every time. Go. All right. Hey, tell him back passenger. Back passenger. Back passenger. All right, now cut driver back. All right. Straighten up. What's it look like over there? How much more room you got? All right. We'll have him go back to that, and then get a good bump from there. All right, a good bump from there. Hey, when you start going side to side, just steer into it, but keep it going. You're up there on it. Go. Can't get that bump now. You can't get no traction right there now. Winching? Okay. Hey, tell him back driver. Come on, back driver. Keep it coming. You're gonna come off the ledge. We're gonna get you off that ledge. Got it, come on. All right. Okay, right there. Now good bump from there, straight. Yeah, bump it straight up.
good line?
You're on a good line now. Just back up and bump. You're making it all the way up there.